Hi everyone, I am Muthuazhagi, Department of Computer Science, JJ College of Arts and Science in Pudukkottai. Today my topic is switching techniques. Switching techniques in a large networks, there might be multiple paths linking sender and receiver. Information may be switched as it travels through various communication channels. There are three typical switching: circuit switching, message switching, packet switching. Circuit switching. Circuit switching is a technique that directly connects the sender and receiver in an unbroken path. Telephone switching equipment, for example, establishes a path that connects that caller's telephone to the receiver's telephone by making a physical connections. Routing decisions must be made when the circuit is first established, but there are no decisions made after that time. Circuit switching in a network operates almost the same way as the telephone system works. A completed end-to-end path must exist before communication can take place. The computer initiating the data transfer must ask for a connection to the destination. Once the connection has been initiated and completed to the destination device, the destination device must acknowledge that is ready and willing to carry on a transfer. Circuit switching advantages: the communication channel once established is dedicated. Disadvantages: possible long wait to establish a connection, 10 seconds more on long distance or international cells. More expensive than any other switching techniques because a dedicated path is required for each connection. Use of the communication channel because the channel is not used when the connected system are using it. Then message switching. Message switching. With message switching, there is no need to establish a dedicated path between two stations. When a station sends a message, the destination address is appended to the message. The message is then transmitted through the network. It's entirely from node to node. This type of network is called a store and forward network. A message switching node is typically generally a purpose computer. Capacity to store the incoming message, which could be long. A time delay is introduced using this type of stream due to store and forward time. Find the next node in the transmission path. Message switching advantages: channel efficiency can be greater compared to secure switched systems because more devices are sharing the channel. Traffic congestion can be reduced because message may be temporarily stored en route. Message priority can be established due to store and forward. Message broadcasting can be achieved with the use of broadcast address appended in the message. Disadvantages in message switching: message switching is not compatible with interactive applications. Store and forward devices are expensive because they must have large disks to hold potentially long messages. Then packet switching. Packet switching can be seen a solution that tries to combine the advantages of message and circuit switching and to minimize the disadvantages of both. There are two methods of packet switching. Datagram. In both packet switching methods, a message is broken into small parts called packets. Each packet is backed with appropriate source and destination addresses. Since packets have a strictly defined maximum length, they have been stored main memory instead of a disk, therefore access, delay and cost are minimized. Also, the transmission speed between nodes are optimized. The network on a first come, first served basis. If the network becomes overloaded, packet or delay or discarded, dropped for this packet switching. Packet size. The size of the packet can vary from 180 bits The size for the data kit, virtual circuit switch designed by Cell by Labs for communications and business applications. 1024 or 2048 bits for the switch also designed by Cell Labs. For public data networking, 53 bytes for ATM switching, such as here Lucent Technologies packet switching. Packet switching is the analog signal from your phone is converted into a digital data stream. They do not necessarily travel together, they do not travel sequentially. Front and each string a digital data, then convert the analog from form up so your friend can understand that you are saying. The datagram packet switching is similar to message switching in that each packet is self-contained unit with complete addressing information attached. It is possible for packet to be destroyed if one of the nodes on its way on crashed momentarily. Virtual circuit using packet switching approach, pre-planned route is established before any data packet are sent. They have the capacity to inform upper protocol layer a transmission problem occurs. The packet switching in virtual circuit station does not mean that is a dedicated path in circuit switching. The difference between virtual circuit and datagram approaches. Packet switching send arrive in the order sent with no duplicated or omissions, with no errors, high probability, regardless of how they are implemented internally. Advantages, packet switching advantages. Packet switching is cost effective because switching devices do not need massive amount of secondary storage. Disabled links used to the advantages of packet switching. Packet switching can maximize link efficiency by making optional use of link bandwidth. Disadvantages of packet switching. Protocols for packet switching are typically more complex. It can add some initial cost in implementation. If packet is lost, center needs transmission is data. Another disadvantage is that packet switch system still cannot deliver the same quality as dedicated circuits in applications, requiring very little delay like voice conversion or moving images. Thank you.